Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Wizards Metal Renew polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Wizards Metal Renew polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Wizards Metal Renew is a cream-based polish with a fine abrasive and a thick formula that stays evenly mixed and easy to control during polishing. It cuts through oxidation and restores aluminum to a smooth, bright, high-gloss finish. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.